Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a really very helpful app for all the XUV500 owners. So let us begin. I'm going to Google Play Store. You can just type Mahindra XUV500 and you will find Mahindra New Age XUV500 Mahindra Limited 4.2 rating, and press this, and you need to install this app, and this how you can see. And I'm just going to open this app. So it will just ask you, do you want to register now? Then you can just add the model, you can select the variant, then win, current kilometers, vehicle registration number, the country. You can add your relationship manager phone number, and you can select the PUC expiry date, insurance expiry date, everything to just, and you can just set them as a reminder, and you can just register. Then after registration, you can just watch out to do these different symbols. Like the first one, which just give you this, the details about the symbols in on your dashboard. So let us switch on our car, and I'm just going to switch on, and you can watch the different symbols here. And sometimes you can just watch out the new symbols, and just you don't know what are those symbols. So at that time this app will be really helpful. You can just you can select this, you can watch the different symbols out here. Like the center symbol, the first symbol is about airbag malfunction. Then you have fog, front fog lamp is switched on, that symbol. And this lock symbol, which is engine immobilizer. And you have this fuel symbol, that is low fuel warning. So this is water in fuel. So let us see one of the symbol in the car. So here is the symbol, this yellow symbol. Let's see what is this. This yellow symbol indicates the condition of engine emission control system, that is OBD lamp. So if this symbol is switched on during ignition and goes off once engine started, then it is normal operation. Then you can just watch out the different symbols here. Then in the odometer you can just watch the fuel level symbol, and you have other symbols here. Like I'm just going to switch off and not switch on. You can find this ABS symbol, right? And this ABS symbol, and you can also find other four symbols during few conditions. So this ABS symbol indicates that there is malfunction in anti-lock braking system. If it is always on, then you again have other symbols like this off symbol, then this tire pressure monitoring system symbols. And the next one is the fuel symbol. You can add fuel records, the date, the odometer, then the fuel quantity. So you can also calculate efficiency. Also these reminders shows you the personal reminders. You can create the reminders, you can watch out all the reminder lists, and also you can check the service interval. For example, this is my new car and I have traveled 450 kilometers. So my next service is at 5000 kilometers. Let me see the different parts to be replaced during 5000 kilometers period. I have take this, and I can see I can replace engine oil, I can replace engine oil filter. These for front wheel drives vehicles. But if your car is all wheel drive, then you should also replace rear axle oil and transfer case oil. R means replace. You can also watch C, that is clean, and there's something written there. These are the basic minimum parts to be replaced in this service. Actual replacement may vary according to the condition of the vehicle at the time of service. Then let me type, let us assume I have completed 5000 kilometers, so 9500 kilometers. I am going to submit, and I need to replace AC filter only. I may also replace other parts like some shock absorber bushers or some parts like the brakes, etc. It varies depending on the condition of your vehicle. Then this is the second service. Then for the let's see the third service, and I have completed 10,900 kilometers. Then the third service is at 27 kilometers. So again at 27 kilometers we need to replace engine oil filter. Oh, new the fuel filter element and AC filter. So this how this app is helpful to every XUV500 owner. This service menu, you can add service record. You can also view service records which you have added. Also, this is for contact us, so that you can contact to Mahindra. You can contact to relationship manager, which I have told you to add at the registration. Also, you can contact Purple Club. You can also contact to XUV500 24/7 on-road assistance by just pressing this selection. By just pressing this selection, your phone automatically dials to the number and connects to Mahindra. You can also contact to Mahindra with you Hamesha. You can also contact them through email. So you can set different mails in your phones, and also you can SMS them directly to reach. I think this app will surely help the XUV500 owners if they install this app in their smartphones. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and also please subscribe to this channel to get more latest updates. Thank you.